Hello friends, today we are starting with our new course that is understanding the basics of IC. We'll be learning what is IC engine, what is the nomenclature of IC engine, different type of IC engine that is auto cycle, diesel cycle, numericals on both auto cycle as well as diesel cycle. We will discuss that in detail in upcoming lessons. But before proceeding any further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Harshit Agarwal, mechanical engineer, graduated from NIT Nagpur in 2008. I have cleared the Indian Engineering Services examination. I have got the offer letter from most of the Maharatna and Navratna companies. I have cleared the GATE examination. Regarding course fee, there is no course fee as such, but you can always contribute whatever you feel like. You can also follow me on the specified link. So what is the objective of this course? To provide simple explanation of basic concepts on both auto cycle as well as diesel cycle so that you will be able to solve the numerical problems on objective as well as conventional problems. I will be telling you the nomenclature of piston cylinder arrangement and how it works. It will obviously improve your efficiency in solving the numerical problems. This course would be really helpful to you. The target audience is obviously the aspirants who are preparing for engineering services examination as well as for GATE examination. Furthermore, this course is also helpful to the aspirants who has taken mechanical engineering as their optional in civil services examination. Now, regarding contribution, if this course is helping you in any way, please pay a voluntary professional fees by clicking on contribute. It will really motivate me to come up with better and more engaging courses in near future. There is no fees as such, but you can always contribute whatever you feel like after listening to my lectures. This is the overview of the course. Just go through the overview of the course. This is the very interesting course on IC engine. It will really helpful to you. First lesson would be on engine nomenclature. It will deal with what is the top dead center, what is the bottom dead center, what is the stroke volume, what is the stroke length, how the piston cylinder arrangement works. Furthermore, we will be discussing the compression ratio, expansion ratio, cutoff ratio, what is the efficiency, and all those things. Second lesson would be on auto cycle. This lesson is very interesting because it will deal with how the auto cycle is, what are the different processes in auto cycle, how to represent auto cycle on PV diagram and TS diagram, how the representation changes on with auto cycle. The third lesson is a really great lesson because it will solve the numericals on auto cycle. After practicing the numericals, you will feel confident enough that you can attempt those numericals in GATE as well as engineering services examination. In these numerical problems, I have taken the basic numericals, and in my upcoming lessons, if you will feel comfortable, I'll deal with the difficult problems as such. The fourth lesson would be on diesel cycle. The diesel cycle is a very interesting cycle, and what is the difference between auto cycle and diesel cycle, we will see that. Then representation of diesel cycle on PV diagram and TS diagram, effect of cutoff ratio on diesel cycle, then how the diesel cycle works, what are the different processes on diesel cycle, constant pressure heat addition, constant volume heat rejection, reversible adiabatic compression, reversible adiabatic expansion, different processes we will see in TS as well as in PV diagram. And the most important thing, how to find the efficiency of diesel cycle. The efficiency of diesel cycle is very cumbersome process. How to do that, how to memorize that, how to derive the efficiency of diesel cycle. After doing that, the next lesson would be on numericals on diesel cycle. We have taken few numericals on diesel cycle including the efficiency of diesel cycle, and we will surely solve those numericals, and it would be really helpful to you. The last lesson is very important lesson for both engineering services as well as for GATE examination. It is a very interesting lesson and a very important lesson. Lot many objective questions are coming every year in engineering service examination regarding the comparison of auto and diesel cycle. You have to compare these two cycles. You have to mark the objective question after the comparison. The comparison is like there is same compression ratio and same heat addition, which cycle has a more efficiency, auto cycle or diesel cycle. After that, same compression ratio, same heat rejection, which cycle has a more efficiency, auto cycle or diesel cycle. This is just the overview of the course. Keep viewing these lessons and keep commenting what next you want. From my side, I'll be giving my 100% to you also, that you can clear these examination, GATE examination and engineering examination with good number of marks, with good number of percentage, so that you can get selected. Thanks a lot from my side. This is Harshit Agarwal.